Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to set up an applicant tracking system, or ATS, specifically for project planning. If you're new to ATS, don't worry. We'll walk through each step in a beginner-friendly way. An ATS is a software tool that helps you manage recruitment and hiring processes efficiently. But did you know it can also be a powerful asset for organizing project planning tasks? Let's start by understanding what an ATS is and why it's useful for project management. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap for setting up your own ATS to streamline your project planning. An applicant tracking system, or ATS, is a digital platform designed to automate and organize the recruitment process. Traditionally, it's used by HR teams to post jobs, track applicants, and manage candidate data. However, its features like workflow automation, communication tools, and centralized data can also support project planning. By leveraging an ATS, you can assign tasks, monitor progress, and keep all project-related documents in one place. This makes collaboration smoother and ensures everyone stays on the same page. Let's see how you can adapt an ATS for your project planning needs. Before you begin, it's important to choose an ATS that fits your project's needs. There are many options available, from simple, user-friendly platforms to more advanced systems with robust features. For beginners, look for an ATS with an intuitive interface, basic workflow tools, and good customer support. Consider factors like cost, scalability, and integration with other tools you use. Reading reviews and trying free trials can help you make an informed decision. Once you've selected your ATS, you're ready to move on to the setup process. Once you've chosen your ATS, the first step is to create an account. Most ATS platforms will guide you through a simple registration process. You'll typically need to provide your name, email, and organization details. Some systems may ask about your team size or project type to tailor the setup. After registering, you'll receive a confirmation email. Just follow the link to activate your account. With your account set up, you can now access the dashboard and start customizing your ATS for project planning. Now it's time to set up your first project within the ATS. Start by creating a new project or job listing, depending on the terminology your system uses. Give your project a clear, descriptive name and add a brief overview. This helps your team understand the project's purpose at a glance. You can also set deadlines, assign team members, and define key milestones. Setting up your project structure early ensures everyone knows their roles and responsibilities from the start. One of the strengths of an ATS is its customizable workflow. For project planning, you can define stages that match your process, such as to-do, in progress, review, and completed. Most ATS platforms allow you to add, remove, or rename these stages. Customizing your workflow ensures that tasks move smoothly from one phase to the next, and everyone can see the project's progress at a glance. Take a moment to map out your ideal workflow before setting it up in the system. Collaboration is key in project planning. Use your ATS to invite team members to your project. Most systems let you add users by email and assign them specific roles, such as project manager, contributor, or reviewer. Setting roles helps control access and responsibilities. Once your team is added, everyone can view the project, update their tasks, and communicate within the platform. This centralizes your project communication and keeps everyone aligned. With your team in place, start breaking down your project into manageable tasks. In the ATS, you can create tasks or tickets for each step required to complete the project. Give each task a clear title, description, and deadline. Assign tasks to the appropriate team members and set priorities if needed. This structure helps everyone understand what needs to be done and by when, reducing confusion and improving accountability. Some tasks can't begin until others are finished. In your ATS, you can set dependencies to show which tasks rely on others. This feature helps you visualize the project timeline and avoid bottlenecks. For example, you might need to complete research before starting development. By mapping dependencies, you ensure tasks are completed in the right order, keeping your project on track. Centralizing your project documents is easy with an ATS. Most systems allow you to upload files directly to the project or attach them to specific tasks. This could include project briefs, timelines, or reference materials. Keeping documents in one place ensures everyone has access to the latest information and reduces the risk of miscommunication. Make sure to organize your files with clear names and folders for easy access. Notifications help your team stay updated on project changes. In your ATS, you can customize notification settings to alert team members about new tasks, approaching deadlines, or status updates. Decide which notifications are essential to avoid overwhelming your team with too many alerts. Well-configured notifications ensure everyone is informed and can respond quickly to changes, keeping your project running smoothly. Many ATS platforms can integrate with other tools you already use, such as email, calendars, or communication apps. Integrations help streamline your workflow by syncing information across platforms. For example, you can link your ATS to your calendar to automatically add task deadlines or connect with messaging apps for instant updates. Check your ATS's integration options and set up connections that will benefit your team the most. User permissions control who can view, edit, or manage different parts of your project. In your ATS, you can set permissions based on roles or individual users. For example, project managers might have full access, while contributors can only update their own tasks. Customizing permissions protects sensitive information and ensures everyone has the right level of access. Review your team's roles and adjust permissions as needed for your project. Many ATS platforms offer templates for common project types or workflows. Templates can save you time by providing a ready-made structure for your project. You should customize these templates to fit your specific needs, adding or removing tasks and stages as necessary. Using templates is especially helpful for beginners, as it gives you a solid starting point and ensures you don't miss any important steps. With your project set up, it's important to track progress regularly. Your ATS will display the status of each task and overall project completion. Use dashboards or progress bars to get a quick overview. Regularly updating task statuses helps you identify delays early and take corrective action. Encourage your team to mark tasks as complete and provide updates, so everyone stays informed about the project's status. Most ATS platforms allow you to generate reports on project performance. Reports can include task completion rates, team productivity, and bottlenecks. Reviewing these reports helps you understand what's working well and where improvements are needed. You can share reports with stakeholders or use them to guide your next project planning session. Learning to use reporting features will make your project management more data-driven and effective. Effective communication is crucial for project success. Most ATS platforms include built-in messaging or comment features. Use these tools to discuss tasks, share updates, and ask questions. Keeping communication within the ATS ensures that all project-related conversations are documented and easy to reference. Encourage your team to use these features instead of external emails or chats for project matters. Deadlines keep your project moving forward. In your ATS, you can set due dates for each task and milestone. The system will remind team members of upcoming deadlines, helping everyone stay on track. If a deadline needs to be changed, update it in the ATS so the whole team is aware. Managing deadlines effectively reduces last-minute rushes and ensures timely project delivery. Sometimes, tasks need to be reassigned due to changes in team availability or project scope. Your ATS makes this easy. Simply update the task's assignee in the system. The new owner will be notified, and the task's progress can continue without interruption. Keeping task assignments up to date ensures accountability and prevents tasks from falling through the cracks. Tags and labels help you organize tasks within your ATS. You can use them to categorize tasks by priority, department, or type. For example, label tasks as high priority or design. This makes it easier to filter and search for specific tasks later. Consistent use of tags and labels keeps your project organized and helps your team find information quickly. Not all tasks are equally urgent. In your ATS, you can set priorities for each task, such as high, medium, or low. This helps your team focus on what's most important and allocate resources effectively. Make sure to review and update priorities as the project evolves, so your team always knows where to direct their efforts. Many ATS platforms offer automation features to handle repetitive tasks. For example, you can set up rules to automatically assign tasks, send reminders, or update statuses. Automation saves time and reduces the risk of human error. Explore your ATS's automation options and set up rules that fit your project's workflow. This will help your team work more efficiently and focus on higher value activities. If your project involves recruitment, your ATS will help you manage candidate data efficiently. You can store resumes, track application statuses, and communicate with candidates all in one place. This keeps your hiring process organized and ensures you don't miss any important details. Even if your project isn't hiring focused, these features can be adapted to track project stakeholders or external collaborators. Protecting your project data is essential. ATS platforms typically include security features like user authentication, data encryption, and access controls. Make sure to enable these features and use strong passwords. Regularly review your security settings and update them as needed. Keeping your data secure builds trust with your team and stakeholders and ensures compliance with relevant regulations. Once your project is finished, it's a good idea to archive it in your ATS. Archiving keeps your workspace organized and makes it easy to reference past projects if needed. Most systems allow you to archive projects with a single click, moving them out of your active dashboard but keeping all data accessible. This helps you maintain a clean workspace and track your project history. After completing a project, take time to review the outcomes. Use your ATS to analyze what went well and what could be improved. Look at task completion rates, team performance, and any challenges faced. Document your findings in the ATS for future reference. This reflection helps you continuously improve your project planning process and achieve better results next time. Feedback is essential for team growth. Use your ATS to gather feedback from team members about the project and the planning process. Some platforms include built-in survey or feedback tools. Encourage honest input and discuss suggestions for improvement. Regular feedback sessions help your team work better together and make your project planning more effective. Project planning is an ongoing process. Use insights from completed projects to refine your workflow and ATS setup. Regularly update templates, workflows, and automation rules based on what you've learned. This commitment to continuous improvement will help your team become more efficient and successful with each new project. Many ATS platforms offer mobile apps or mobile-friendly websites. This allows you and your team to access project information, update tasks, and communicate on the go. Mobile access ensures you can stay connected and productive, even when you're away from your desk. Check if your ATS offers a mobile app and encourage your team to use it for greater flexibility. User profiles in your ATS help personalize the experience and clarify roles. Encourage team members to complete their profiles with names, photos, and contact information. This makes it easier to identify who's responsible for each task and fosters a sense of community within your project team. Complete profiles also improve communication and collaboration. When new team members join your project, use your ATS to onboard them smoothly, provide access to relevant projects, assign initial tasks, and share key documents. Some ATS platforms offer onboarding checklists or guides to help new users get up to speed quickly. Effective onboarding ensures new team members can contribute right away and feel welcomed. Calendar views in your ATS help you visualize project timelines and deadlines. You can see all tasks, milestones, and events in a single view, making it easier to plan and coordinate work. Encourage your team to use the calendar to manage their schedules and avoid conflicts. Calendar integration with your ATS can further streamline planning and time management. If you're handling several projects at once, your ATS can help you keep everything organized. Create separate projects for each initiative and use dashboards to monitor progress across all of them. Assign team members to multiple projects as needed and use tags or labels to differentiate tasks. Managing multiple projects in one system saves time and reduces confusion. Some tasks need to be repeated regularly, such as weekly meetings or monthly reports. Your ATS may allow you to set up recurring tasks which automatically appear on your schedule at the right intervals. This feature helps you stay on top of routine work and ensures nothing is forgotten. Set up recurring tasks for any regular activities in your project. Checklists are a simple but powerful tool in your ATS. Use them to break down complex tasks into smaller steps, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Team members can check off items as they're completed, providing a clear sense of progress. Checklists are especially useful for onboarding, quality control, or multi-step processes within your project. Some tasks require approval before moving forward. In your ATS, you can set up approval workflows, where tasks are automatically routed to the right person for review. This ensures that important decisions are reviewed and approved by the appropriate team members. Approval workflows help maintain quality and accountability throughout your project. Gantt charts are a popular project management tool, and many ATS platforms include them. A Gantt chart visually displays your project timeline, showing when each task starts and ends. This helps you plan resources, identify dependencies, and spot potential delays. Encourage your team to use Gantt charts for a clear overview of the project schedule. Resource allocation ensures your team has what they need to complete the project. In your ATS, you can track who is working on what, monitor workloads, and adjust assignments as needed. This helps prevent burnout and ensures tasks are distributed evenly. Regularly review resource allocation to keep your project running smoothly. Every project faces risks, such as delays or resource shortages. Use your ATS to document potential risks and assign owners to monitor them. Create tasks for risk mitigation and track their progress. Proactively managing risks helps you respond quickly to challenges and keeps your project on track. Budget management is crucial for project success. Some ATS platforms include budget tracking features, allowing you to monitor expenses, set limits, and generate financial reports. Keeping an eye on your budget helps you avoid overspending and ensures resources are used efficiently. Regularly update budget information in your ATS for accurate tracking. Milestones mark important achievements in your project. In your ATS, you can set up milestones to track progress toward key goals. Each milestone can have associated tasks and deadlines. Celebrating milestones helps motivate your team and provides a sense of accomplishment as the project moves forward. Dashboards provide a visual overview of your project's status. Most ATS platforms let you customize dashboards to display the information most relevant to you, such as task progress, deadlines, or team performance. Personalize your dashboard to keep important metrics front and center, making it easier to manage your project at a glance. Sometimes you'll need to export project data for reporting or sharing with stakeholders. Your ATS should allow you to export data in various formats, such as CSV or PDF. Exporting data makes it easy to create presentations, analyze trends, or back up important information. Familiarize yourself with your ATS's export options to make the most of your project data. If you run into issues or have questions about your ATS, don't hesitate to seek help. Most platforms offer support resources like help centers, tutorials, or customer service. Take advantage of these resources to resolve problems quickly and learn new features. Ongoing support ensures you get the most out of your ATS and can adapt as your project needs evolve. Congratulations! You've learned how to set up an ATS for project planning, from choosing the right platform to customizing workflows and tracking progress. Remember, the key to successful project planning is organization, communication, and continuous improvement. As you gain experience, explore more advanced features and tailor your ATS to fit your team's unique needs. With these skills, you're well on your way to managing projects more efficiently and achieving your goals.